Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, the much awaited trailer of Mamuka's Kalam Kawal is here. When the teaser promo had dropped, I mean, I was blown away. Just that glimpse of Mammootty, having that evilness and then him doing that laugh, and it was amazing. It was amazing. So, yes, he's playing a negative role here. Then we have Vinayakan, who is obviously the protagonist. So, we have a 2-minute trailer. Let's not delay this any further. Let's watch it right away. Okay.
തിരുവനന്തപുരം ജില്ലയുടെ തമിഴ്നാട് അതിർത്തിയോട് ചേർന്ന് കിടക്കുന്ന കോട്ടായിക്കോണം എന്ന ഗ്രാമം. അവിടുത്തെ രണ്ട് യുവാക്കൾ തമ്മിലുണ്ടായ നിസ്സാരമായൊരു തർക്കം അവരുടെ സുഹൃത്തുക്കൾ ഏറ്റുപിടിച്ച് വലിയൊരു വഴക്കായി മാറി. പിന്നീട് അത് നാട്ടിലെ രണ്ട് പ്രബല സമുദായങ്ങൾ തമ്മിലുള്ള ഒരു ലഹളയായി വളർന്നു. ആ വർഗീയ കലാപത്തിന്റെ തായ്വേരുകൾ തേടിച്ചെന്ന കേരള പോലീസ് പ്രത്യേക അന്വേഷണ സംഘത്തിനു മുന്നിൽ അവിചാരിതമായി തുറന്നു കിട്ടിയ ഞെട്ടിക്കുന്ന തെളിവുകളുടെ കഥ. തിരഞ്ഞ് ഒടുവിൽ തങ്ങൾ എത്തി നിൽക്കുന്നത് ഒരു മഞ്ഞുമലയുടെ അറ്റത്താണ് എന്ന് തിരിച്ചറിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അവർ നടത്തിയ അത്യസാധാരണമായൊരു കുറ്റാന്വേഷണത്തിന്റെ കഥ. അത് വല്ലാത്തൊരു കഥയാണ്.
ഇതിനൊരു അവസാനമല്ലല്ലോ സാറേ.
നമ്മളായിട്ട് തന്നെ പൊക്കിയാൽ ഇത് അവസാനിക്കാനത്.
സാറേ അവന്മാർ ഇത്രയൊക്കെ ചെയ്തിട്ട് എങ്ങനെയാണ് സാറേ ഞാൻ സമാധാനം തിരിച്ചു പോകണത്? സാറേ നമ്മൾ വിചാരിച്ചത്ര ബ്രില്യൻ്റ് അല്ലെന്നാണ് തോന്നുന്നത്.
ഇതിങ്ങനെ പോയാൽ ശരിയാവില്ലല്ലോ ജയകൃഷ്ണൻ.
Looks very intense. That car.
ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ സുഖം കിട്ടുന്നത് എന്തിനാ കൊല്ലുമ്പോഴെന്നറിയോ?
Aura. Damn. Why am I scared? All good films I'll miss watching in the theaters, huh, guys? But then it'll give me a chance to do like a movie reaction whenever it releases in the OTT. And then you can watch me, watch the film. See, this is what is called screen presence. When you don't even have to show your face. You don't have to show your face. It's just your voice and your silhouette, and you're already like, I'm already scared with that dialogue delivery. That was evil. His character is pure evil here. I like how in the trailer, because of the music, you get really this fast-paced feel that, okay, they are investigating. Okay, something happens, one event happens, and then there is a butterfly effect, which leads to a completely different thing. And what you thought, say as a police officer, that, okay, you are investigating this one event in isolation, but then when you uncover something which is much more brutal, I feel for people who do crime investigation, for the police personnel, I mean, it must be so mentally taxing in a way, because we never think of that perspective, right? Because to catch such criminals, to get into that mindset where they have to think that how a criminal must be doing all of these deeds, all of these crimes basically, yeah, not an easy thing. And just to maintain your sanity and to do it, crazy. So yeah, this looks in a way where Vinayakan is going like all guns blazing in uncovering the truth, and it is taking him into depths of hell in a way. And then we see Mamuka's character being revealed, and he's the kind of character, looking at this trailer, he's the one who lurks in the shadows, but you still feel his presence. You still feel that evil presence. I think that's his aura as an actor. You feel the presence on screen, whether evil or non-evil. But here, particularly for this particular trailer, yeah, I could feel that menacing nature come out of the screen with that one dialogue and that one silhouette of his. That's it. You don't need to show his face. That's the impact this man has. Amazing. I am very, very excited for the release of this film. Hope it turns out good. Of course, I won't be able to catch it in the theater, I don't know when DS Ire is going to have an OTT release, because I heard really, really great things about the film. You know, barely with any promotions, the movie had such great word of mouth. So I know that it is going to be a really great film, a horror film to experience. Of course, watching a horror film in the theater versus a laptop, it's different, but I'm still waiting for the OTT release whenever it happens, so that I can experience it and watch it, do a reaction for you guys and post it. So this was, yes, beautiful to witness. And also now whenever I'm watching the trailers, it is becoming a bittersweet experience because I know for a fact that I will not be able to immediately go and watch the film. It'll happen eventually, but just it's like a temporary situation, guys. So yeah, that's it. That was my reaction to Kalam Kaval, the venom which lies beneath, the venom beneath, basically. I love the quotation also, which comes in the first frame when the trailer starts. Yeah, something to think about, guys. So yes, that's it. That was my reaction. Those were my thoughts. Let me know what are your thoughts in the comments below. And now I will sign off and see you soon on my next video. Bye.